What's the meaning of choir boy? Choir boy. Choir boy.
Choir boy. Choir boy. The term choirboy typically refers to a young male singer who belongs to a choir, especially of a church or cathedral. The word is often used figuratively in a negative sense to describe someone who is seen as naive, innocent, or overly moralistic. In this context, it is a way of mocking someone for their lack of worldliness or experience. The term can also be used to refer to someone who is perceived as being particularly angelic or pure, often with a sense of irony or sarcasm.